Hey everybody, this is Alan Hensley from Merriman Wealth Management making another Live Fully video. Right now I'm out at Dewey Lake up by Chinook Pass. I'm doing my annual backpacking trip with my daughter. We're having a great time, enjoying the outdoors. The weather is fantastic. There's a lot of mosquitoes, but what are you gonna do? And of course I'm out here and I'm hiking and I'm trying to think of some sort of analogy to financial planning. And as I think about it, backpacking is this perfect analogy to retirement planning. It's one tiny little step that you're taking that doesn't feel like much, but when you add them all up, you get to this goal. And it's a goal you've been working on for a long time, and it's worth it. And it's those little steps that can be frustrating and tiring and exhausting, and it might even make you feel like giving up. But I can tell you from experience on this hike, and of course doing financial plans for my clients, it's worth it. And if you have a plan, if you've got a map, and you know what you're doing, you get to that destination and you have some fun along the way. So if you want to figure out how to put together your retirement plan, let's connect. And of course, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks so much.
This is how I live fully.